Alright, so in today's class, we are going to be solving this very simple chemistry NECO WAEC problem we have on the board. So all you need to do is just grab some popcorn, sit back and relax, because like this post, share this post, and also drop your opinion in the comment section, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how oxidation number of basic elements have been gotten. So if you're into this class, say present in the comment section. You're welcome. Solution. So now the question is, what is the oxidation number of chromium in K₂Cr₂O₇? That is a WAEC past question. So now, first of all, you need to understand that this trinary compound is made up of three elements. We have potassium, we have chromium, and we have oxygen. Now, first of all, potassium has an oxidation number of +1. Yes. The reason it has +1 is because the atomic number of potassium is 19. That is 2, 8, 8, and 1. Right? 2, 8, 8, and 1. And you see it needs one electron to make it a duplex structure. So that is why it has +1 here. And also, oxygen has an oxidation number of -2 because oxygen has an atomic number of 16, right? 2, 8, and 6. It needs 2 electrons to, of course, make it a more complete structure, right? Yes, to make it a octet structure. So that is why it had -2. And we are asked to find chromium. So now, what you need to know first of all is that one of the arbitrary rules in oxidation is that element in an uncombined state is equal to 0. In an uncombined state on its own is equal to 0. So now we have this information. Let's get straight into business. So we have 2 times 1, which is for potassium, plus 2 times chromium, we don't know chromium yet, plus 2 times -7, 2 times -7, -2 times 7. This will be equal to 2 plus 2 chromium, yes, plus -14, So now this will be equal to 2 plus 2 chromium minus 14. Plus times minus is minus. So what do we do next? This is equal to 0, right? They are all equal to 0. We are looking for chromium. So what do? We are going to make 2Cr the solid of the formula. So 2 chromium will now be equal to, as it crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive. So we have 14 and minus 2. So 2 chromium will be equal to 14 minus 2 is 12. Therefore, chromium will be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So 6 is the oxidation number of chromium in this trinary compound. So if you enjoyed today's class, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Tutor join the sciences across all platforms. I will see you in my next video. You're welcome.